Yeah, good evening, everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about common mistakes when writing a business plan. Before that, we would like to know what a business plan is. Most people actually are in business, but they don't know the strategies in writing business plans. They don't know anything about the business plan. They just have an idea, they conceive an idea, and they just think the best way to do is to start working on the idea. But it is true when you have an idea and start working on the idea. But there is some points that at a point you may mess up. That one is just true in business. When it comes to business, you will surely mess up at a certain point. But when you have a guide to all the things that you are doing, you have step by step